Welcome to Genki2, Lesson 15, Grammar Point 2, expressing decisions and determinations using the volitional form. So we learned the volitional form in Grammar Point 1. It is basically the short form of the masho form. One of the most common things you're going to do with that form is to combine it with a form of omo to talk about a decision or a determination that you have decided upon. So when you use the volitional form plus to omotteimasu, so teimasu, the present continuous tense, you are expressing a decision to take a course of action and you've come to this decision as a result of some thought or deliberation. So in the example sentences, 毎日日本語の新聞を読もうと思っています。I've decided I'm going to read a Japanese newspaper every day. Another example here, タバコをやめようと思っています。I've decided I'm going to quit smoking, or I'm going to quit cigarettes. When you use the volitional form with the mas form of omo, this means you are expressing a determination or a decision that you've just made on the spot. So for example, 母が100ドルをくれました。本を買おうと思います。My mom just gave me $100. I'm gonna buy books. Right? And then the second one, 今日はすごくいい天気だし、休みだし、海に行こうと思います。Right? Oh, the weather's really nice today and I have the day off. I think I'm going to go to the beach. Okay, so if you want to describe a decision you've just made, volitional form plus to omoimasu. And then finally, a little bit of comparison between different ways to use to omo to express different nuances. So volitional form plus to omotteimasu is to express a decision that you have considered and made. Volitional form plus to omoimasu is expressing a decision that you've just made on the spot. And then stretching back a little ways, a dictionary form plus to omoimasu can either be to express an opinion or to make a prediction about what you think is going to happen in the future. For example, 明日雨が降ると思います. I think it's going to rain tomorrow. All right, that's it.